Open coding. Research question. What do primary teachers' reflective diaries inform us about the didactics and methodology used in their pedagogical practice when teaching English as a foreign language at Salucop Norte IDE School? Here we have the open coding. We read exhaustively the 8 diaries, and in most of them we found some repeated words, characteristics, feelings, or activities, and we put those codes here. We group those words and we created a code name. For instance, the first one, teacher frustration, because in most of the diaries said that they felt bad or they felt frustrated because they don't know English or because they have a low level in English. Instead, self-confidence make reference when the teacher feels secure when he or she is teaching a topic in English. Other code is lack of interest when children are not motivated to learn or to do something. Instead, students' positive attitude refers when students are participating actively or when students are glad or interested in learning. In blue, here we have also some important and repeated activities to improve the English level of the students. For instance, vocabulary, word association, visual aids, or repetition of words were sentences that were repeated in most of the diaries. In here we continue with more codes. We have 24 codes in total. Let's explain the code 14, difficulty of the activity. Is when the activity to do is not easy and it is complex for children. When that situation happened, the teacher had to change the activity. So here we have the code 16, activity modifications, to change the process of the original activity to do it easier to the understanding of children. For instance, code 22, variety of activities, different kinds of activities like puppets, videos, dramatizations. In most of the diaries called the variety of activities, so we group that codes and we created the code name variety of activities. And now Natalia is going to explain you axial coding.
Axial coding. That analysis steps, axial coding. Research question. What do you teacher reflective diary inform us about the didactics and methodology used in their pedagogical practice with teaching English and foreign language at School Norte IED School? In the axial coding, we divide the categories taking into account the analysis in the dialing and the open coding. Emotional characteristics express every feeling and emotion that the teacher felt in English class. For example, teacher frustration, self-confidence, student possible and attitude, lack of interest, teacher motivation, children motivation. Methodology. Talking about each strategy and research using the learning in the English class. For example, visual eye, activity modification strategy, children aid, Byron activity, word association, vocabulary, repetition of word, pronunciation, the beginning of learning English or foreign language. Positive feedback. In this space, we see the advent of a student after the teacher implement their strategies so it can be said that progress and the teamwork were the most significant.
Selective code. Selective code is And here is our